Hello everyone, my name is Ewan. I'm a product development manager with Gamma Sports, and today we have the Momentum 2 brand new drop weight stringing machine for us, and we have it all out of the box here, all the different parts of the machine that we're going to go through and show you how to assemble. So without further ado, I'm going to explain all the parts of the machine real quick. We have the actual weight that you'll be using to apply tension, as well as the drop weight and ratchet gripper mechanism. This is the machine's turntable, and then the base of the machine, as well as the tool tray. This is the mounting system, the 2-point mounting system for this machine, with your mounting adapters and support plates. And then these are the tool and some of the hardware that we'll need to put the machine together. So the first thing that we'll want to do when assembling the Momentum 200 is to attach the rubber feet that are included with the machine, and this is super easy. They'll just screw right into the bottom like so, and there's one for each corner, and this is like the foundation for your machine. They are self-leveling, so if you need to level these for an uneven surface, you can do that, and that's step one right there. Step two is going to be the most awkward portion of putting this machine together. So we will need this attachment plate here, we'll need the drop weight mechanism, and these 4 screws. So what I'm going to be doing is attaching the drop weight mechanism to the base. This plate that holds that on needs to go on top, the inside of this part here, and then the bolts will go on from the bottom of the stand. So I've found that the best way to do this is to kind of flip this over, put a bolt or two, and then kind of flip that up with this corner, and then try to get that just finger tightened like so that that doesn't go anywhere. And then I'll take my second screw and do the same thing in the opposite corner. Just get that aligned with the right hole in the support plate, like so. And then I like to start with opposite corners just to keep everything aligned properly. And once you have those threaded in with your fingers, you can use the included hex wrench and get those nice and snug. And like I said, this is pretty much the most difficult part of putting this machine together, just because it's a little bit awkward. If you have another person that can help you do this, that would definitely make it a little bit easier. But as you can see, it's not too bad to do on your own. Once those are all threaded in, just give these like a quarter turn or so to tighten them. And now you have the drop weight mechanism installed. Okay, step 3 is very simple. Right now, this drop weight arm is just kind of free to move with 360 degrees. So included in this assembly is this screw here on the back that will be a little bit loose. And to prevent this arm from just swinging around all over the place, we can just tighten that a little bit like so. It doesn't need to be cranked down super hard. And now this will rest nicely in the up and down position for stringing. Once we have that in place, we can take this rubber cap off the back of the drop weight arm, which sometimes can be a little bit tight. There we go. And now we will slide our drop weight on to the arm. And we want to go with the knob side down. Just need to loosen that, slide it down, tighten the knob onto the arm, and there you go. And then you can slide the rubber cap back onto the end. Okay, and then our second to last step here is just going to be installing the turntable, which is super easy. You're just going to take it and drop it down right here into this plastic bushing, which in this case is a little bit snug, but that's okay. Get that right there. And now you have your turntable ready. Okay, so the last step for completing your assembly of the Momentum 2 is just going to be installing the mounting system, and these will just slide right onto your turntable like so, and then on either side there are bolts for tightening these down. So obviously you don't need these tightened until you have a racket mounted, but just for when you're not using the machine, you can just go ahead and snug those down so that they don't go anywhere, like so. And all of this was done with a 5mm hex wrench. That's the only tool that you need. So go check out the Momentum series of stringing machines at gammasports.com, and thank you so much for watching.